Assuming you're searching for Theta organization cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Theta organization Theta will go from now on. We will break down the past costs of Theta organization Theta and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally unimaginable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Theta organization is $228 and Theta is presently positioned #52 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Theta organization is 1,000 with a market cap of $283 to 99.19. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 352% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. From most recent 7 days, the Theta was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 624%. Theta organization has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. We foresee future Theta organization cost expectations that are conjectured by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized examination on the past value information of Theta organization. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Theta coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Theta organization market cap, Theta organization volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts. Theta organization value expectation outline. The negative cost expectation for Theta organization Theta in 2025 is $4.23, with a likely high of $4.94. Long-haul investigation recommends that Theta organization cost might actually flood to $2,317 by 2050. As of the most recent update, Theta organization is exchanging at around $2.28. The typical extended cost for Theta organization in 2030 is supposed to be $26.98, with expected fluctuation somewhere in the range of $26.25 and $31.09. Experts project a bullish pattern for Theta organization in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $1 to 727 mark. Theta organization value forecast 2024. The cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at least worth of $2.86 in 2024. The Theta organization cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $3.35 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.95 all through 2024. Theta organization value expectation 2025. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Theta organization is supposed to reach at least value worth of $4.23. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $4.94 with the typical worth of $4.37. Theta value figure for 2026. The cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at least worth of $6.24 in 2026. The Theta organization cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $17 with a typical exchanging cost of $6.42 all through 2026. Theta organization Theta value forecast 2027. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2027, the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $8.98. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 10.77 with a typical exchanging cost of $9.23. Theta organization value forecast 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta, in 2028 the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at least degree of $12.57. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $15.13 with the typical exchanging cost of $13.3. Theta organization value expectation 2029. Theta organization cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $17.87 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $21.79 with the typical estimate cost of $18.39. Theta organization Theta value expectation 2030. Theta organization cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $26.25 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $31.09 with the typical estimate cost of $26.98. Theta Organization Value Figure 2031. The cost of Theta Organization is anticipated to reach at least degree of $37.85 in 2031. The Theta Organization cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $45.70 with a typical cost of $39.20 all through 2031. Theta Organization Theta Value Forecast 2032. The cost of one Theta Organization is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $57.64 in 2032. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $66.77 with the typical cost of $59.20 all through 2032. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2033. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta, in 2033 the cost of Theta Organization is estimated to be at around a base worth of $81.41. The Theta Organization value worth can arrive at a limit of $98.94 with a typical exchanging worth of $84.37 in USD. Theta Organization Value Estimate 2040. Analyzing authentic execution gives setting, yet it is critical to perceive that previous exhibition isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of Theta Organization is supposed to reach at least value worth of $1,396. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $1,727 with the typical worth of $1,484. Theta value figure for 2050. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or enterprises can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Theta Organization cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $226 and can reach as high as $317 for the year 2050. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $113. Theta Organization Value Conjecture Facts. How high might Theta at any point organize go? The typical cost of Theta Organization Theta could go to $0.95 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effortlessly come to the $13.3 mark. What is the eventual fate of Theta Organization? The eventual fate of Theta Organization is exceptionally reliant upon the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Theta, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right methodology. This kind of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an uneven gamble profile. Be that as it may, in any case, a phenomenal venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, Theta likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing environment. What amount will Theta Organization be worth in 2030? As far as value, Theta Organization has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels. It is figured that Theta will increment in esteem. As indicated by unambiguous specialists and business experts, Theta Organization can raise a ruckus around town cost of